Good morning, everybody. My name is Amr Salahieh, and I am the CEO of Shifamed. I'm going to give you just a 4 or 5 minute overview of Shifamed, and then I'll introduce each CEO and each company one after the other. Thank you for having me for LSI. And so, who are we? Shifamed is a medical technology innovation hub. So we start medical device companies, and we focus on big clinical needs that really have a big patient outcome. That's really great for our patients, our physicians, and ultimately our investors. We've been really on a high growth rate for the last few years. We have 8 active companies. We've raised $295 million over the last 3 years. We continue to file patents, 100 patents and 450 pending. And we put a lot of effort in our infrastructure. We have 111,000 square feet of facilities, 7 facilities in a single campus. We spent $23 million in facilities improvements and capital equipment. And we spend about $10 million a year on improvements across the board. The team has grown a lot. At this point in time, we were 300 people with 40 people outside the US. This is our historic sort of record. We've sold 6 different companies to Boston Scientific, Covidien, Abbott, and J&J. And all of these companies really are in the cardiovascular space, and that's still our biggest area of focus. The current portfolio is as follows. We have 5 cardiovascular companies, 2 ophthalmology companies, and 1 enterprise software company. And I'll walk through very briefly what each one is about. So Adana Medical is an adjustable intra-atrial shunt with integrated bi-chamber pressure sensors. So it means there are 2 sensors and a shunt for patients who have heart failure. It allows the physician to adjust the size of the shunt. So for those patients who have heart failure and there's a lot of pressure on the left side and you want to push some of it out to the right side, that's what this is for. And it's a state-of-the-art, sort of the next generation technology of devices that are currently in clinical trials. It's a very large opportunity, probably over $6 billion ultimately. A lot of patients need this, and there's not a lot of really good solutions for heart failure. And we've raised $63 million so far. There's 40 employees, and it's in the preclinical stage. Accura Medical is a thrombectomy system. It's a really comprehensive solution. It's a very large market. We've raised $27 million. We have 27 employees, and this company has reached the clinical stage. Laza Medical is a robotic innovation for the cath lab. It's a very large opportunity. We are 20 people, and it's in the preclinical stage. Superior Medical is a low-profile, 10 French, continuous flow PVAD for high-risk PCI and cardiogenic shock. We are 56 employees, and we're in the clinic. Tioga Cardiovascular is a really nice solution for mitral and tricuspid replacement. We're 50 people, and we're in the preclinical stage. Atia Vision is a dual optic accommodating intraocular lens, 33 people in the clinical stage. And Myra Vision is a glaucoma shunt, 23 people in the preclinical stage. And last, Enlil is a 24/7 cloud-based software for Medtech. This is for procurement, quality, and manufacturing. There's 46 people, and we're in the limited market release at this point. And that concludes my talk.